Hi everyone, this is one of my most viewed videos in channel. I think it's got 18 or 19,000 view. So let's see why it's so special and what make it great. I don't see that, but let's start with creating that. You need to create this shape. So how we can create that? It's easy. Creating these things are not a really hard thing. The hard thing is creating this shape. How we can create that? It's easy. We need to have the picture. Let me paste it here. You see, the thing is that you can change the picture from this device to another thing, for example. You see, but the thing that makes this thing really amazing is that how we get to this shape. So let's start, and after that we use this thing. So let's start. We need to insert, okay, then rotate it, and by holding shift and control create some align copy of that. Okay, you see we create the shape, then press Ctrl A and make them one shape, and then make the outline none. Now we need to add a shape. When you want to format this thing and add a picture, for example, you see the thing is that the picture is rotated. When we move the rotate out, the thing is fixed. Now these texts are going to add it also. 1, 2, and okay, add it. And next slide, next picture, next text, next and back. This thing is that we are working on this, okay. And the last one, you can use Control V and this thing, Windows command. I don't know why it's not working, but okay, let's copy that another time, paste it here, and set the transition to morph. Your amazing slide is ready. It's working great. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.